Shandong Tiantai Beer Equipment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of beer brewing equipment and located in Jinan City, capital of Shandong Province. Our team has 7 years' experience in brewery setup for brewpub, bar, restaurant, nanobrewery, microbrewery, and regional brewery. We mainly deal with the manufacture and research of complete beer brewery system, including miller, brewhouse, fermentation tank, bright beer tank, glycol cooling system, control system, beer filter, filler. We supply professional service for your brewery, including drawing and layout design, customized equipment design, transportation, installation, and training. The details are taken the humanity and brewmaster's intention into consideration. Reliable quality is guaranteed by professional technical support, intelligent processing equipment, strict quality control, and complete personnel training. Our equipment passed CE certificates for machinery, low voltage, and pressure equipment. Our management is confirmed to ISO 9001. We are also granted with the manufacturing license for pressure equipment and certificate for high-tech enterprise. So far, we have set up 600 projects and exported to 95 countries including USA, Canada, Korea, Japan, Russia, Australia, New Zealand, England, Belgium, Finland, the Netherlands, France, Spain, Italy, Germany, Sweden, South Africa, Singapore, Mexico, Argentina, insisting the idea that craft beer brewing should be in a popular style. We keep our system affordable, trying to help more brewmasters to approach their dream. Tiantai, your honest brewery equipment builder.